By the late 2020s, telling a computer what you wanted had become ordinary. A person named an intent and working software came back. Data centers multiplied, the networks thickened, the machines grew stronger. The world of bits filled with solutions, but the made things lived behind the screen. The physical world answered more slowly. The coupling of compute to fabrication ran about 5 years behind its coupling to code. An intent became software in a week. The same intent aimed at matter still took a shop, a tool chain, and a season. Then the crossing began. Desktop fabricators, small mills, and model-guided toolpaths put the making within one maker's reach. A workshop that had taken 10 people in 2014 ran with one. By 2032, the atom side had caught up with the bit side. And compute kept reaching further into the made world. Robots worked the warehouse floors. Wearables rode on bodies. Electricity was wired into new materials that could listen for instruction. Year by year through the 2030s, the surfaces compute could touch multiplied. The screen stopped being the boundary. People's intent began to be translated into feats of engineering. A harbor crew could describe the surge gate their channel needed. The design came back within days. The parts came off a regional line within weeks. Engineering had been a thing a town could rarely afford. Now it answered to plain speech. The crossing carried a weight the digital one had not. A wrong program cost a rerun. A wrong gate could cost a harbor. So the pace was chosen and tested and kept. Things moved as fast as was good, not as fast as was technically possible. What had happened to software was happening to the made world. The distance from wanting a thing to having it engineered kept shrinking. Intent had reached matter, and matter had begun to answer.